What's up, everybody? And today, I'm about to be eating the Travis Scott meal. As y'all can see from McDonald's. Travis Scott. Good Travis Scott. So, I put extra pickle on mine, but if y'all can see. Bam. Fire. And then they give you a side of barbecue sauce. So you know we're gonna eat that with the fries. And y'all, let me tell y'all, let me introduce you to my friend, my little friend. I'm about to be doing a lot of pranks with this little friend of mine. You see? I pranked my mama, y'all. I pranked my mama, but this little fake rat. Dog, it looks so real, I be scaring myself. But look at this. This little rat. So I'm about to be pranking my clients. My auntie gonna get it. I ain't gonna say which auntie, because it's gonna be a surprise. But let me get into this food. I'm gonna taste, let me taste the Travis. See what everybody talking about. Well, so he got bacon, pickle, lettuce, oh snap. Mustard, cheese, ketchup. It's something like a baconator. It tastes good, but to be honest, it tastes like a quarter pounder. They just replaced the name, and now you're getting paid for it. Damn, I forgot to pray.
Huh? You forgot to record. That's what you said.
Okay. I ain't gonna lie though, it is good. It is worth the $6. It's $6 for the Travis Scott meal. And it got the big onions. I like the big onions. I don't really like the little small onions because you don't really taste it. And the big onions, you can taste them. And I love plenty of lettuce. Y'all, I'm about to go crazy with that little mouse. Look at the little tail. I'm about to go crazy. I finally got my mama, y'all. After 2 years of trying to prank her. This video is a successful video, y'all, I swear. I was planning it all day. Oh my God, she had me crying. My mama cussed me out, everything. Y'all gonna see it, man. And she was so confident that I would never get to get her, right? Not today. I got her today. I ain't gonna lie, man. This is so good, y'all. And the soul food I ate with Mo. Shout out to Mimi. Shout out to Mimi and her auntie. Y'all, I swear, the candy yams. What was it? Squash? Did they say it was squash? I was eating that green thing. I don't know. It's like, y'all know what it is. But the mac and cheese was, oh my God. And the that was my first time ever eating catfish. And mustard. I really don't like mustard like that. But the catfish and the Travis, amazing. And the barbecue sauce. I'd say it's worth buying just to try it out, y'all. But to be honest with you, if you ever bought a quarter pounder, it's the same thing. A bacon quarter pounder, it's the same thing. I ain't gonna lie, it's the same thing. I wanted a lot of pickles. They gave me a little bit. I love pickles, y'all. Pickles my favorite food. I love lettuce. I don't know why. And onions. I don't know why. It just tastes so good. I found out garlic is actually bad for you. Right? Dr. Savy was talking about how it slows down the healing process. You feel me? Like if you got wounded and stuff like that, the garlic kind of slowed down the healing process. So, and I'm in love with garlic. Let me tell y'all, I love garlic, especially when we eat steak. I gotta get extra garlic. But if I'm gonna watch what I'm gonna eat, I'm supposed to be watching. Man, I ain't gonna lie to you. I haven't been watching what I ate, but I got to. You know what I'm saying? Because I got to get right for my Denver trip. Even though it's going to be cold over there. Oh my God, it's going to be cold over there, y'all. And we're going to be doing the hot balloon, zip line. I said zip line. Zip, all that, whatever it's called. And I just found out they got the World Dangerous Bridge, I think, or the longest bridge. It's down there from two cliffs. It's like a mountain right here, a mountain here, and then the bridge. And my wife want to walk. I ain't walking, I drive, cause I gotta get up. I gotta get past that bridge ASAP. I didn't there pass out, looking down. That's why I don't want to do the zip thing, cause I don't know if I'm gonna be hanging from a string. So if I pass out, I'll still be hanging. Or if I pass out and let go, it's over with. So I don't know, you thinking about it. Y'all ever did the escape room? And if y'all haven't tried the escape room yet, go try it. Cause it's fun. But it's kind of hard. It's fun and hard at the same time. But you can ask for clues. I'm done, y'all. I don't know what the hype was about because it's pretty much like what I say?
Quarter pounder. A
quarter pounder. All they did was just remove quarter pounder and put Travis Scott on there. It's you can spend your $6 on there, and you can't. I don't know. It's the same thing. Whatever y'all want to do, but it was good. I ain't gonna lie, it was good. And I was trying to fall back from McDonald's, but I seen the Travis Scott burger, so I was like, man, I gotta try this. So I just tried it. Then my mukbang. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell, smash that like button, and all that good stuff. Y'all be looking out. I'm about to be pranking people. I should prank my wife. She in the shower right now. Right? Put the rat by the door. I don't know if she coming out with a towel. She is, right? Next time. Peace.